So first of all, you write down the sides separately and then use the value of P. LHS is 4P minus 3 and right hand side is 13. The value of P is 1 using 1 instead of P. So 4 minus 3, your left hand side comes out to be 1, whereas right hand side is 13. So you can see the two sides are not equal. That's why the answer is no. And the second part I gave as homework was this one. Last part of question number 2, separating left hand side and right hand side equals to 6. Sorry, separating the left hand side and right hand side. Question 3, second part. I think Tanvi, you're answering for question number 3, second part. So separating left hand side, right hand side for this equation, 4P minus 3 and 13, the value of P is 0. What happens when you multiply a value with 0? When we multiply any number with 0, the answer is 0. 0 minus 3, the answer will be minus 3. LHS again not equal to RHS. The answer is no. I hope everyone has done the homework. Anyone who has not completed their work, homework जिसने नहीं किया, please complete it. Yes, Rishit?
Ma'am, I wanted to answer the question which you have asked.
4 multiplied by, sorry, any number multiplied with 0?
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am,
and I have done the homework of B part of question 3. Can I tell?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Simmerpreet.
मैम क्लास 11:10 पर लगती है कि 11:15 पर?
11:15 according to the new timings.
Okay, ma'am. 11:15 पर ना?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to check the new timetable. There is a gap of 5 minutes between each class. Except for your break, your first class starts at 8 activity period, then 8:10 your first period begins. 35 minutes की duration है. Earlier it was 40, and then 5 minutes का gap है. Good, Simran.
Ma'am, may I answer second part?
Okay, actually Rishit had already asked for answering this. Let's ask Rishit. I'll ask you some other ones. I'll ask you some other one.
Okay, ma'am.
Rishit, we have...
Ma'am, let m equals to 6.
Let m equals to 6. And then solving the two sides.
LHS 3m minus 4 minus 14.
Next step.
3 into 6 minus 14. 18 minus 14 equals to 4 and LHS equals to RHS.
And then you can write down that the answer is m equals to 6. Correct. Good, Simran, that's right. Okay. Now this was the homework. We have completed it. I hope everyone had done the homework and you have checked your work now. Next question of your exercise. Page number 81. Everyone, page number 81. Question number 4 here. Write down the equations for the following statements. You are given some statements in English. You have to write these in the form of equations. That means you have to express them mathematically. And fifth question is the opposite of fourth one. Fourth में आपको जो statements दिए हैं उनको math form में लिखना है और fifth में equations आपको given है, आपको उसको English में convert करके लिखना है. So sum of the numbers x and 4 is 9. X और 4 का अगर आप sum करते हो, answer 9 आता है. Sum means addition. So how would you write this in math form? Very good. To write down, no, you don't have to write down the answer. Answer नहीं बताना आपको, इसको maths की form में, question की form में बनाना है. यही क्वेश्चन अगर मैथ्स की फॉर्म में पूछा जाए। दमनदीप बेटा, कुड यू प्लीज अनम्यूट? Damandeep, unmute.
Ma'am, I have taken m equals to 3, but and my answer is coming no.
You have taken m equals to 3. The answer is no. So you need to try with some
Yes,
other
ma'am.
value. There is an error,
Okay, ma'am.
right? जो value आपने
Okay,
try
ma'am.
किया उसमें error आ रही है. So you will try another value till you get
Okay,
correct
ma'am. Thank you,
answer.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Now sum is to be written with plus sign. That's right. Good, Shan Singh. Very good. Very good. So we are going to write this in maths form. X and 4 का sum लिखना है. So इन दोनों के बीच में plus sign आ जाएगा. The sum is written with plus sign. Answer is written after equals to. The answer of the addition will be written after equals to. So I'm going to write this here. Question number 2, first part. I'm directly writing down the answer. X plus 4 equals to 9. That's it. In the notebooks. In the notebooks. Second part, we have 2 subtracted from y is 8. Sorry, this is question number 4. 2 subtracted from y. Subtraction will be shown by minus sign. Subtraction from y. So this will be written first. 2 will be written afterwards. In between, you will have minus. Answer will be written after equals to sign. Use the same variable as given. Y, lowercase y है, lowercase y से लिखो. Third part. Good, Simran.
Ma'am, I want to ask you third part answer is 10a is equal to 70.
That's right. That's
And
right.
second is y minus 2 is equal to 8.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, and that fourth part answer is 5 by b is equal to 6. Or b divided by 5. B by y.
We'll discuss that in a while. Let's
Okay,
just
ma'am.
focus on this one. Third one. Everyone pay attention. 10 times. 10 times a means 10 multiplied with a. Normally, when we write down, we do not write down the sign of multiplication. So 10 multiplied by a can be written directly as 10a. So you could either give the answer in the first way, 10 multiplied by a, where I have put the sign of multiplication, or you could give the answer simply as 10a. इसका meaning भी यही है कि 10 and a are being multiplied. Manmeet. Manmeet, unmute.
मैम जो मैम अभी हमने आज का मैम काम जो फर्स्ट सबसे पहला वाला क्वेश्चन था मैम वो वाला दिखाना है 1 मिनट.
बेटा वो होमवर्क था आपका, मैं होमवर्क डिस्कस कर रही थी.
ओके मैम. मैम ये वाला अब फर्स्ट ही है ना वैसे?
हाँ जी, यहाँ से अभी मैंने स्टार्ट किया है 4th क्वेश्चन से. Earlier I was discussing the homework.
ओके मैम.
The number b divided by 5 gives 6. Out of the 4 operations, आपके पास 4 arithmetic operations हैं. Plus, minus, multiply and divide. Addition and multiplication are commutative. आप plus किसी भी order में लिख सकते हो, product को भी किसी भी order में लिख सकते हो. The answer is not affected. In case of subtraction and division, the order is extremely important. That's why second part or fourth part, you have to do those very carefully. Second part subtraction थी, subtraction में ध्यान से किसको माइनस करना है, किस में से माइनस करना है. Same way fourth part division है. Division किसकी हो रही है और किससे हो रही है. अनन्या, unmute.
मैम हमें इसका आंसर निकाल के सॉल्व नहीं करना
No.
जैसे हम बाकी सम्स कर रहे
No,
हैं.
not here. You only have to put them in equation form.
ओके मैम.
Chirag,
The answer of fourth will be 5b or b by 5.
that's what you need to see here. B divided by 5. Divided by 5 means this.
Okay.
The answer will be written by equal after equals to.
It means like 5 by 5. Sorry,
No.
b by 5.
B by 5. B by 5.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Manmeet, unmute.
मैम नो मैम ये पिछले वाला ही था मैम लास्ट मैंने किया था.
Earlier, okay. Good, Simran.
Ma'am, I have confusion in number 5th part. Ma'am, please tell me answer of 6th part is 7m plus 7 is equal to 77.
That's sixth part.
Ma'am, yes, or 6th part.
Sixth part. Yes, that's correct. 7m plus 7.
Ma'am,
The way it's written.
I have problem in 5th part.
Okay. Let's discuss now fifth
Ma'am,
part.
and fourth part answer is b by 5 is equal to 6 because 5 we will write as denominator because b is bigger than 5.
No,
First is bigger than
no. It's actually, it's not about which value is bigger or smaller. It's not about which value is bigger or smaller. When you are given b divided by 5, this phrase here, divided by, इसकी जगह पे आपके पास डिवीजन का सिंबल आ गया. ठीक है, b पहले,
Okay, ma'am.
डिवाइड का सिंबल, फिर 5 आ गया. जिससे भी आप डिवीजन कर रहे हो, जो बाद में आता है, डिवीजन के बाद वाली जो वैल्यू है, इट इज पुट इन द डिनोमिनेटर इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द फैक्ट कि वो छोटी है या बड़ी है. इट इज नॉट टू बी कंपेयर्ड और चेक्ड कि कौन सी वैल्यू छोटी है, कौन सी बड़ी है. जो वैल्यू डिवीजन के बाद आ रही है वो डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगी, जो पहले आ रही है वो न्यूमरेटर बनेगा. ठीक है. नाउ आई वांट यू टू ऑब्जर्व. Rishit, give me 1 minute. I would just like to discuss this before I continue. Just look at the first 4 parts. These are simply basic operations. पहला part plus वाला था, second part subtraction वाला है, third multiplication है, fourth division है. So you can see addition में आपके पास plus sign आ रहा है, subtraction में minus sign आ रहा है. In case of multiplication, जहाँ पे product हम sign डालते हैं, वो हम omit कर देते हैं, उसको हम हटा भी सकते हैं. मल्टीप्लीकेशन का साइन अगर नहीं लगा हुआ, देयर आर 2 वैल्यूज जिनके बीच में कोई भी साइन नहीं है, दैट मींस दिस ऑपरेशन इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन. देन डिवीजन जो है, डिवीजन का जो साइन है वो तो आइदर आप शो कर सकते हो या फिर आप उसको फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हो. These are the things you want to remember when we are solving questions. No sign here. You can observe in third part. No sign means multiplication, and if something is written in the form of a fraction, it means it's division. Fraction का मतलब क्या होगा, ये division हो रही है. Keep that in mind. Other than the facts कि हमारी subtraction और division बहुत carefully लिखी जानी चाहिए. अगर order बदल दिया गया तो आपका answer change हो जाएगा. Addition में, multiplication में, you can write down the addition in any order. Multiplication can be written in any order. But subtraction लिखते टाइम अगर आप माइनस साइन लगा रहे हो या आप डिवीजन का साइन लगा रहे हो, प्लीज रीचेक योर स्टेटमेंट ट्वाइस और थ्राइस. चेक करो जो स्टेटमेंट में दिया था वही लिखा है आपने कहीं ऑर्डर तो नहीं बदल दिया. ऑर्डर बदल दोगे आपकी इक्वेशन गलत बनेगी, फिर आंसर भी गलत आएगा. Rishit, now you can ask.
Ma'am, answer of 5th is 3 by 4, t equals to 15.
That's right. 3/4 of t is 15. Now this is something to do with fractions.
3 by 4 t equals to 15.
3/4
Ma'am, I
is a
understood
fraction.
now. Ma'am, and number 7th part answer is 1 by 4x minus 4 is equal to 4.
Correct. 3/4.
Okay, ma'am.
3/4 is a fraction of represents multiplication. T, answer is 15. Answer is written after equals to sign. Of represents multiplication. Now put it together. 3 by 4. T equals to 15.
Ma'am, please enter part.
Beta, I did admit him. I have. Sixth part. This one's very simple actually. You simply need to convert this English into math. Let's see, raise your hands, please. Those who know the answer to this. Gunjanpreet, unmute.
Ma'am, 7m plus 7
Equals to?
77.
That's right. 7 times m का मतलब क्या हुआ? 7 into m, which can be written as 7m plus is addition, then 7 gives 77. That's your answer. So you are to write this answer after equals to sign. Seventh part. One-fourth of a number x minus 4 gives 4. Correct. Good, Simran, that's right. Let's ask Manreet. Unmute.
मैम मैंने मैम आंसर देने के लिए मैम किया था.
Can you answer seventh part?
Hand raise. Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
5x minus 4 is equal to 44.
1/4 into x minus 4 equals to 4.
Minus 4.
You can
4.
write this as 1 by 4 x minus 4 equals to 4. See, I have omitted the sign of multiplication. जो multiply का sign था मैंने delete कर दिया. I'm going to put the hands of all these students down so that I can see who's raising their hand for the next question. Eighth part. That's wonderful. Damandeep, Rishit, Ashit. Before putting the question there, you've already raised your hand. Eighth part, if you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. Now this is subtraction. If you take away something, that means this is subtraction. We have to be extra careful of the order. Gurshan Singh, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you answer 8th part?
Yes, ma'am. M6y minus 6.
Continue.
is equal to 60.
Correct. You have to take away 6 from 6 times y. Subtraction करनी है 6 की, जिसमें से करनी है वो पहले आएगा. Some students also remember it this way. अगर from लिखा हुआ है तो ये जो पीछे वाली वैल्यू है ये आगे आ जाती है. If you have subtraction from something, this value will be written first. और जिसको subtract करना है वो पीछे लिखते हैं. And the result is 60, so we write that after equals to sign. 9th part, if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30. Angadmeet?
Yes,
Unmute.
ma'am.
Answer 9th part.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 3 plus 1/3 multiply z is equal to 30.
That's right. It's addition, so we need not worry about the order. We can simply
Ma'am.
write 3 plus 1/3 into z. I could also delete the sign. 1/3 ये multiplication sign हम delete कर सकते हैं, equals to 30. Either way, it's correct. Anyone with any questions? Any doubt in question number 4? Anyone? I've put the hands down for everyone. If anyone has any questions from all these parts. Karanveer? Karanveer, I can see you've raised your hand. I did ask you to unmute. Can you ask what? I am not sure I can
My
hear.
reason for answer.
Okay. I think these are all from earlier. Manpreet? Manpreet, beta, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Rishit?
Ma'am, in 8th part, how we know that we have to subtract?
Take away. The word take away means subtraction.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, and if it is written, if you take away 6 by 6 times y, so we will write 6 minus 6y.
You study grammar in English, right? Grammar करते हो ना आप English में. So there are some verbs होते हैं जिनके साथ preposition लगता है. तो take away के साथ from लगेगा. Subtract from आएगा. ठीक है?
Thank you, ma'am.
Divide के साथ by आ सकता है. Divide के साथ with आ सकता है. So subtract from. Okay, there are a few students who've raised their hand. I'm not sure if they have a doubt or they are raising their hand for the next question. If you have a doubt, then keep your hands up. Otherwise, put your hands down. Manpreet.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you have some doubt? Go ahead and ask. Okay. If you need more examples, those will probably be in your assignment. If you want more such examples, such questions, those will be in your assignment. All right. So kindly wait for that. Tanvi, unmute, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in question number 9th, we can also write as 1/3 z plus 3.
Yes, you can write it this way also. It's addition. Addition can be written in any order. You can change the order. Completely fine.
Thank you.
Question number 5, you have to now do the opposite. You are given some equations. You have to write them in English. Try to form a very simple sentences. Don't make complex sentences. When you're writing down in English. Ananya, yes, a few questions, but I will let you know afterwards. Manmeet, unmute beta.
मैम मैंने पूछना था मैम जो ऊपर मैम ये 9th क्वेश्चन है मैम ये वाला हमने क्या करना कैसे है?
You are given something in English and you have to write that in math form.
ओके मैम.
So add हम maths में कैसे लिखते हैं? Plus का sign लगा के, right?
यस.
जो 1/3 of z है, 1/3 means fraction, 1/3. Of का meaning होता है multiplication. तो ये जितने भी English में चीज लिखी हुई है, उसको आपको math के symbols, numbers, variables को use करके बनाना है.
ओके मैम. मैम जो मैथ्स और मैम जो सिंबल है उसको मैम बना के मैम यहाँ पर लिखना है.
Yes, solve नहीं करना, सिर्फ वो statement को maths form में लिखना है.
ओके मैम.
I can see there are so many hands raised up. I'll try to ask someone who has not already answered. Okay, Sia.
Ma'am, its answer is the sum of P and 4 is 15.
That's right. Sum of P and 4 is 15. You could write this in so many ways now. P added with 4, 4 added to P gives you 15. You can write in so many ways. Try to write down in the simplest way possible. That's correct. Yes, beta, all the students who are writing their answers in the chat box, they're all answering correctly. P added by 4 gives, increased by 4 gives us 15. 4 is added to P, P added to 4. All answers are correct. P is added to 4 and it gives you 15. The sum of P and 4 equals to 15. All these answers are correct. All these answers are correct. Second part, we have m minus 7 equals to 3. Now, if you do not understand, how would you write this in English? If you are not able to frame a sentence, I can advise you to write this as such. The way you read it, exactly like that, just put it in English. So m minus 7 gives 3. This is like the simplest way you could put your equation in English form. M subtracted by 7 gives 3, or if you subtract 3 from M, the answer is 3. Correct. Yes, Gunjan, that's right. Let me just check the answers for the others. Correct. Wait a minute, Anhad. Yes. Unmute. Anhad.
Ma'am, I have done this exercise 10 to 11 times in wrote notebook. What shall I do?
You could do the examples if you want. You are like going ahead with us. So you've already done the work. Either you can do this again the 11th or the 12th time, or you could do the examples. 2m equals to 7. Chirag.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you answer this?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
M multiplied by 2 gives 7.
M multiplied by 2 gives 7. Is there any other way we could answer this? Let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
Jivitesh. Jivitesh, unmute. Can you tell me if there is any other way we could write the answer for this?
Ma'am, 2 times m is equals to 7.
2 times m equals to 7. This is another way. Is there any other way? Any other way? Anyone?
Can I tell Chirag?
Okay, Chirag, go ahead, answer.
2 multiply.
2 of m equals to 7.
2 of m equals to 7. There is another word which we can use for this. We can also say twice m is 7. This is something new, twice. Twice means double or 2 times. So you should be aware that If it is written twice, it means 2 times. And there is another word similar to this. Does anyone know? Sounds similar to this. Twice की तरह ही sound करता है.
Thrice.
Thrice.
That means 3 times.
Quintal.
Fourth part.
मैम
we have-
क्विंटल भी होता है ना?
That is a quantity. That's a unit of weight. Quintal stands for 100 kg.
Okay, okay.
Rishit, unmute. Rishit, could you please unmute? Correct.
Can we write like this? 2 times m gives you 7.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. M by 5 equals to 3. So m divided by 5 gives 3. Very good, Damandeep. That's wonderful. Parth, very good. 1/5 of a number m is 3. This could also be written as this. 1/5 of a number m is 3. I'm just looking at your answers you are giving in the chat box. I'm going to put the same on the sheet here. Yes, m over 5 is 3. That is also correct. M over 5. M divided by 5. M by 5. Simply m by 5 equals to 3. That's also correct. Yes, Jivitesh?
M 3 times m
Ma'am,
divided.
how we can write 1/5?
1/5
Three
of a number m. If you try to solve it,
Mama,
let me I'll just show you in a
ma'am,
minute.
no. Ha.
Bolo beta. You want me to explain how this is 1/5 of a number m is 3?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, how is this 1/5 of a number m is 3?
1/5 means 1 by 5. Of means multiplication. Number is m. The answer is 3. Right? So when you write this as 1 by 5 m equals to 3, you have to multiply these two. अगर कोई भी वैल्यू को हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आंसर क्या आएगा?
Value itself.
The number itself.
वही number itself.
तो ये बन जाएगा. ठीक है?
Okay.
Ma'am, the
तो फिर
answer.
उसका आंसर क्या?
Ma'am, can I answer 6?
Ma'am, 15 ना? 15.
Ma'am, it is 5th. You have written 6th.
इसका solution 15.
It is
Sorry.
5th.
Yes, Jivitesh, the solution is 15. This is part 5th. Sorry, I have written 6th here. Part 5th.
Ma'am, 3 times m divided by 6 gives 6. Divided by 5.
I'm going to write down thrice m divided by 5 gives 6.
Ma'am, can we
Correct.
write only by 5?
Yes. Gunjanpreet, correct. 3m divided by 5 equals to 6. Damandeep, 3 times. Okay, Damandeep is answering for the next one. But Simran, thrice m added by. I think that is the next one. Gursimran, could you please check? I think you have mixed the two parts. The variable is different. Chirag, yours is correct. Ashit, yes, yours is correct. Samara, yours is correct. 3 over 5 of m gives 6. Or you could also write down 3/5 of m. 3/5 of m is 6. I know, Jivitesh, I would like to just complete the question here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we write only 3 times m by 5 instead
Yes.
of writing divided?
Yes, that works.
Okay.
I'm going to write down the answer one of the students provided here. 3
Thrice.
times p or thrice p
Thrice
plus
p
4 equals to 25.
And can we write thrice p added to 4 gives 25?
Correct? Correct. 4p minus 2 equals to 18.
4p minus
4 times p minus 2 gives 18. Or if you subtract 2 from 4 times p, you get 18.
Ma'am, can we write 4 in the words FOUR like this?
Yes, 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 you can write down in words also. Ninth part,
P over 2 added to plus 2.
You missed, ma'am, you missed 8th part.